That's what I'm trying to achieve by designing and implementing hiking trails that provides benefit through excellent approach in promoting outdoor recreations while also supporting the environment. Hi, my name is Muhammad Nur Izlan Mirahim. I'm the semester 6 student of Bachelor in Landscape Architecture UiTM Puncak Alam, Regional Landscape Planning Studio. My journey for this semester begins from my site visit to Pokok Senakeda, where I found a primary forest that called Bukit 888 that offer forest hiking trails, gorgeous perspective on top of the hills, and also the richness of the forest biodiversity. However, there are few cons of the site, which is incomplete hiking facilities design, encroachments of developments in protected forests, causing habitat fragmentations and deforestations. So what I'm trying to do is to improve hikers' experience by providing proper facilities. Strengthen the forest through reforestations, reintroduce native species and habitat enhancements back into the forest so that it can provide a pleasing trails layout for the user experience. This project was fully inspired by Taman Tugu Forest Trail, and from the project what can I learn is that no matter where or how modern our lifestyle is, we also need a healing environment through the nature. Biocapsule is the chosen concept for this project. The word bio is from biodiversity and biophilia. Biodiversity is the variety and variability of life on Earth, including the diversity of species and ecosystems. Biophilia is the idea that humans involved in natural environments and have an instinctive desire to be connected to the nature. And the word capsule is an metaphor where the substance in the capsule will contain biodiversity enhancements, biophilia approaches, reforestations, and forest preservations. All the substance was well sprinkled to each spatial space of the site to solve all the issues. So this is my overall enlargement plan. From this plan, I will explain user flow when they visit Biocapsule's Bukit 888. First is grand entrance, where I designed a signage that include natural elements and materials so that it can match with the surrounding. Next is the green parking area that use permeable pavement parking that are environmental friendly solutions for beautiful hardscape without harming the environment. Next is cafeteria and other basic facilities for the user. Moving on to the junior trail, where in this area it has a traditional childhood playground to bring back childhood's memory. Future forests, where I try to bring the forest to the children by reintroducing them with the native plant species. Butterfly sanctuary, where I propose a bunch of flowering shrubs that the butterfly can feed on. In addition, shrubs also act as a place that the butterfly will lay eggs on and the caterpillars can then feed on so that it will complete their life cycle. Moving on to the next area, which is the habitat. The designs of the view tower inspired from the bird nest, where people can climb the tower and enjoy panoramic view of Pokok Senakeda district. I also proposed the reforestation on top of the hill to enhance the biodiversity of the forest. Every species has a QR tag on it so that user can scan and learn more about the plant species in the primary rainforest. After that, the user will use a separated trails to go down, and the trail is called as Getah Trails because the trail was dominated with the existing rubber tree, and every pit stop along this trail will have an information spot about the history of rubber plantations in Malaysia. The designs of the benches is very simple, where it was constructed using the reuse and recycle a dead tree and a discard wood around forest to make a sustainable designs bench without using a high cost and a variety materials. The last area is assembly area, where it can be functions as a spot in emergency situations. It is very rewarding as a landscape architect to design and deliver parks, create a space to encourage the public to use them and make them accessible and make them inviting. That's an objective for us as a designer. Because the more people can engage with the civic environments that is accessible, open and free for all, the better. Because getting people outside to get a higher engagement with nature increase your general sense of well-being, increase your health, encourage exercise, encourage appreciations of the nature. It is good. And as a designer, as a landscape architect, we in a very privileged positions to design environments that encourage that.